what are stocks? Stocks are investments in companies in exchange for a percentage or equity in the company. So there are two types of companies, public and private. Public companies are available in the stock exchange. Anyone can invest in it because their shares are cheaper. An example of a public company is Apple. Now we're going to talk about private companies. Private companies have very small amount of shareholders, as it is harder to invest in because you would need a lot more money. An example of a private company is Deloitte. Deloitte is a technology company and it is one of the highest valued private companies in the world. Next, we're going to be talking about the different types of stocks: growth stocks, dividend stocks, and safety stocks. So growth stocks are where revenue and earnings are growing at a really fast pace. An example of growth stock is Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest businesses in the world, and it is the largest e-commerce business in the world. And it has consistent growth of earnings and revenue, and it is growing at a really fast pace. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay a portion of the profits back to the shareholder. Companies that pay out dividends have a very good track record. You could tell if a company is a dividend stock or dividend growth stock based on how much of the profits they pay out back to the shareholders. So Apple only pays 29% back to the shareholders, which means they're growth dividend stock. Safety stocks are stocks that sometimes pay dividend, but also have a history of not going down too much during recessions and keep up with the market gains. An example is McDonald's, and new videos coming out every week. So subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.